Me and Bandit were just out on a walk, and it was close to 40 degrees, and just out of nowhere it started snowing and kind of maybe even ice. But you can see on the ground, there was nothing there just a couple minutes ago, and you can see Bandit up ahead on the trail. You can see, maybe if you zoom in, the white tip of his tail. That's a distinguishing feature on Australian Shepherds and Border Collies, as far as I know. Definitely Border Collies. Sometimes Australian Shepherds' tails will be docked. But that's a feature that was bred in so that Shepherds could follow the white patch in bad weather, especially in fog. And I was noticing while I was walking, visibility at one point went down to probably 20, 30 feet. Bandit was about that distance ahead. See, he's waiting for me up there, but wait till he turns around. There's his white tail. You can see, easier to follow that way. So all this snow here, really in the last couple minutes. And I guess an example of why you should always be prepared, even if you're out for just a short walk. I'm fine. I'm dressed warmly in waterproof boots and all of this, and really only 5-minute walk from home through the woods. But if visibility goes down and starts snowing and the temperature drops and you're not prepared, you're out here, I could have been jogging in a t-shirt and sneakers, and could get into trouble pretty quickly. And that's it.